Data mining is the process of discovering patterns, trends, correlations, or useful information from large datasets. It involves using various techniques and algorithms to analyze and extract knowledge from data. The goal of data mining is to uncover hidden patterns and insights that can be valuable for decision-making, prediction, and other applications. Key aspects of data mining include data collection, gathering and assembling relevant data from various sources. This data could be structured or unstructured. Data preprocessing, cleaning and preparing the data for analysis. This involves handling missing values, dealing with outliers, and transforming data into a suitable format for mining. Exploratory data analysis, examining the data to understand its characteristics and relationships. This step often involves visualizations and basic statistical analyses. Modeling, applying data mining algorithms to the prepared dataset to identify patterns or build predictive models. Common techniques include clustering, classification, regression, and association rule mining. Evaluation, assessing the quality and performance of the discovered patterns or models. This step helps ensure that the results are meaningful and reliable. Interpretation, extracting actionable insights and knowledge from the discovered patterns. This step involves understanding the implications of the results and making informed decisions based on them. Data mining is widely used in various domains, including business, finance, healthcare, marketing, and scientific research. It plays a crucial role in extracting valuable information from the ever-increasing volume of data generated in today's digital world. Machine learning techniques are often employed within the broader field of data mining to automate the discovery of patterns and make predictions based on data.